Good morning. My name is Petri Uhtanen. I'm Bishop of the Returned Christ. Some news now. City of Novaya Kakhovka flooded after dam destruction. Mayor. Efforts to evacuate residents from some 300 riverside buildings are underway, Vladimir Leontiev has said. Water level of the Dnieper River has soared by more than 10 meters in the area of Novaya Kakhovka in Russia's Kherson region after a Ukrainian strike seriously damaged a major local hydroelectric dam, authorities said on Tuesday. Speaking to reporters, Vladimir Leontiev, head of the local administration, said the attack on the Kakhovka hydroelectric dam could result in the water level rising by as much 12 meters, but that is projected projected to projected to return to normal within 3 days. However, we have to survive these 72 hours, he said. He also said that local authorities have started to evacuate residents from riverside settlements, including the towns of Korsunka and Dnieprianu, as well as adjacent territories, with some 300 buildings being vacated. Andrei Alexeyenko, the chair of Kherson Region's administration, said that in total 14 settlements with combined population of 22,000 people could be flooded. According to local officials, the key infrastructure was destroyed as a result of strike by Ukrainian forces, which was described by Leontiev as a major terrorist act. Local emergency service said that 14 out of 28 of dam's spans had already collapsed, with more expected to follow suit. However, Ukrainian officials denied responsibility, with Mikhail Podolyak, a top advisor to President Vladimir Zelensky, placing the blame on Moscow and accusing it of creating the biggest environmental disaster in Europe in decades. Love God and love each other. Amen.